Hello, my dear children. Today we will study chapter 22, Artificial Satellite. Artificial satellites are made by man. That is why they are known as the artificial satellites. He makes them and launches into orbits using rockets. Artificial satellites help in long distance communication to collect information about weather, pollution, etc. So, what are artificial satellites? Satellites made by man. And why he makes them? He makes and launches them into orbit. And how he makes them? He makes them and launches them into orbit using rockets. And question one more can be, what are the uses of artificial satellites? So artificial satellites help in long distance communication to collect information about weather, pollution, etc. The picture given here shows some artificial satellites. Identify them and write their names. The first satellite launched by the US on April 1, 1960 to transmit television images from space. It is TIROS-1. The first communication satellite launched by India on April 19, 1975, Aryabhata. The first Indian military satellite launched by India on August 30, 2013 is GSAT-7. The first commercial communications satellite placed in geosynchronous orbit on April 6, 1965 by the US, Intelsat-1. The first satellite with radio transmitter launched by Russia on October 4, 1957, Sputnik-1. It is a communication satellite of India configured to carry a total of 48 communication transponders launched on December 7, 2014. Is GSAT-16. Did you know, children, you have to learn this? The National Aeronautic and Space Administration, also known as NASA, is a United States government agency that is responsible for the civilian space program and aeronautics and aerospace research. Chapter 23, Human Body. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct words from the clue box. Besides helping us to hear sounds, our internal ears also help us to keep our balance. The bones that give shape to our body are mainly made up of calcium. The color of our skin is due to the presence of melanin. The red color of the blood is due to the presence of hemoglobin. The main control center of our body is our brain. When we sweat, our body cools down. The organs that throw out carbon dioxide from our body are our lungs. Our skin protects our internal body parts from dust and germs present everywhere around outside. There are about 650 muscles in our body which are responsible for almost all kinds of movements that our body shows. About 60% of our body's weight is due to water only. Value-based knowledge: drink more and more water, it will keep you healthy. Did you know? You have to learn this also. Enzymes control the chemical reactions in our body. Chapter 24, Father of Science. Can you name these fathers of science? First, father of geometry, Euclid. Father of psychology, Sigmund Freud. Father of computer, Charles Babbage. Father of Indian chemistry, P.C. Ray. Father of medicine, Hippocrates. Father of genetics, George John Mendel. Father of homeopathy, Hahnemann. Did you know Charakya is known as father of Indian medical system? Father of botany, Theophrastus. Father of nuclear physics, Ernest Rutherford. Father of railways, George Stephenson. Father of immunology, Edward Jenner. Father of buoyancy, Archimedes. Father of atomic bomb, Julius Robert Oppenheimer. Father of biology, Aristotle. I wonder, first, how do snakes swallow bigger animals? The structure of snake's jaw is such that it allows bigger animals to slip into the mouth. The lower jaw halves are held by ligaments. Strong elastic ligament attaches the jaw loosely to skull. The skin around that mouth can expand a lot. The food pipe also can expand to a great extent. That is why a snake swallows a big animal without difficulty. Dear children, you can write this answer. They use a specialized collection of skull, bones, ligaments, and muscles to open their mouths wide. Why do moths fly around a light at night? You might have seen moths flying. Many insects are attracted towards light. The movement of their wings is strengthened by light. When light comes from a candle or bulb, one eye of the moth perceives more light than the other. This makes the moths flap wings on the side of their body faster than on the other side. They thus approach the source of light in a spiral manner. This is not the case with moon as it is far off and light falls equally on both the eyes of the moths. Third, why does the sky appear blue on a sunny day? Sunlight is made up of seven colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. These are the seven colors. Normally, we do not see these colors, but when sunlight hits the Earth's atmosphere, it splits up into its colors. The blue color breaks off from the rest and gets scattered in the sky. Otherwise, the sky has no color. So, second question answer, you can start from this: when the light comes till spiral manner, and third question answer from when the sunlight till has no color. Why does a mother kangaroo have a pouch? Kangaroos are marsupials. Marsupials are the Australian animals that carry its baby in a pouch of skin. The baby is born or immature, and the development of the baby is completed in the pouch. The baby kangaroo is kept in the pouch for 11 months till it matures. Fifth, why does hot or cold liquid remains as it is for hours in the vacuum flask? A vacuum flask consists of a double-walled glass bottle enclosed inside a protective casing. Between the two walls of the glass bottle there is almost vacuum, so there is no transfer of heat, and hence the liquid remains hot or cold as the case may be for hours together. How do we know the taste of our favorite dish? Children, we have about 10,000 taste buds which are spread all over the mouth. Most of them are on the tongue, some are inside the cheeks, some on the roof of the mouth, and some even on the lips. These taste buds help us to identify different tastes. My dear children, you revise what we have studied, note down in the book neatly, and do practice every day. May God bless you all. Thank you.